welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio TRT-110H. Okay, there are 5 buttons. On the left side are the adjust and mode. On the right side, split and start. And this one at the front is the light button. You can change the mode using the lower left button, this one. So this one is the time mode, and then timer, stopwatch, alarm, dual time, and then back to the time mode. So the indicator is this one, TRSTALNDT. Okay, and for the time mode, you can jump to the time mode from any other mode by pressing and holding this one, the lower left button, like this, and then beep, and then jump to the time mode or timekeeping mode. And then for the backlight, you can use the light button, of course, like this. Okay. And for the LCD check, you can use the adjust, mode, and start button. So the trick is to hold the watch in this position and then press the adjust first and then the other two after that quickly, like this. Okay. And then you can press the lower right button to move to the next display. So this one, 3242. Okay, and then next, and then next. Once more, back to the time mode. And then next, we can also do the TL check. I honestly don't know for what. Maybe for tilt sensor of other model with similar chip. But this one we can use for checking the originality. So to do that, press the adjust, mode, and this one, the top right button, split button. So like this. Wait. And it will show TL on the top left. Okay. And to exit from this, just press any button. Okay. And then next, you can change the vibration to be active or not. So to do that, from the time mode like this, press and hold the lower right button. So this will activate the vibration. Okay, this one, VIP. And if the vibration is active, then the beep is off. So like silent mode. And if you want to return to the beep mode or not silent mode, not vibration mode, then press and hold this one, the lower right button, until the indicator for the vibration is not showing here. Okay, next we will adjust the time, date, and so on. And to do that, from time mode, press and hold the top left button, this one, the adjust button, okay, until the second is flashing or blinking. And now we can reset the second using the lower right button, the start button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, like this one, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, now press the mode button on the lower left, this one, and we can set the hour. You can use these 2 buttons on the right side. Split button will decrease and the start button will increase. Okay, next press the mode button, and now is for the minute. Also the same thing, use the right buttons to change the value. So split will decrease, start will increase. And then press the mode button, and now is for the time format. You can use the start button or the split button to change the value like this. Okay, so let me use 24-hour format. And then press the mode button, and now is for the year. You can use these 2 buttons, so the split will decrease and the start will increase. Next, press mode button, and now is for the month, also the same thing. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is for the date, also the same thing. And then press again the mode button, and now is the second. So back to the second, and if you're done with the settings, you can press the top left button and done for the basic setting for the date and also the calendar. And then for the day of the week, it will be calculated by the watch itself. Just make sure that you set the month, date, and also the year correctly. So the year should be in the Gregorian calendar. Okay, now for the next mode, timer, you can press the mode button, and now the R here, meaning the timer is now active. And yes, we can set the length of the timer by pressing and holding this one, the top left button, the adjust button. Okay, and now this one is the hour. You can use the split and start button to change the value. So start will increase and split will decrease. And then press the mode button, and now is for the minute, also the same thing. The start button will increase and the split button will decrease. Again the mode button, and now is for the second, also the same thing. Start button will increase and split button will decrease. So let me set as 5, okay, 5 seconds only. And then after that, if you press the mode button, now back to the setting of the hour, and you can use the adjust button on the top left to exit and save this setting for the countdown timer. And yes, for the countdown timer, it has no auto repeat feature. Okay, if you want to start the timer from this view, use the lower right button, start button, okay, and it will count down like this, 4, 3, 2, 1, and okay, beep. Okay, now let me pause. You can use the start button to start and also to pause and then continue also, okay, pause or stop and then reset using the top right button, this one. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to set the timer for 24 hours, you can set the length as 000. Okay, now let's get to the stopwatch mode. Press the mode button until the indicator showing ST or stopwatch. So for this one, you can use it for the usual start stop. Use the lower right button to start, and then use it again to pause, again to continue, again to pause, and if you want to reset, use the top right button. You can also use it for split time, so the start button will start the stopwatch and the top right button will get the split time, okay, and time is still running in the background, so if you press the split again, it will unfreeze, and again it will freeze the display and then unfreeze and so on. Okay, and if you want to stop, use the start button, and to reset from this view, press the split button. Okay, and one more thing, you can also use the auto start. So from the 0 position, press the top right button, this one. Okay, and now it is showing 5 on the top part of the display and auto ST here, meaning the auto start is active. So if you press the start button, it will give 5-second countdown before starting. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Something like that. Okay, now press the start button to stop, split button to reset, and yes, if you want to deactivate the auto start from the 0 position like this, press the top right button. Okay, so if you want to activate or deactivate, use the top right button from the 0 position. Okay, that's all for the stopwatch. You can try by yourself. Next, let's move on to the alarm mode. So press the mode button. Okay, time, timer, stopwatch, alarm. For the alarm, you can set the time of the alarm by pressing and holding the top left button, the adjust button, like this. Okay, now the hour, you can use these two buttons to change the value. So let me set as 5. Okay, and yes, start will increase and split will decrease. Okay, and then press the mode button to move to the next item, the hour. You can use these two buttons to change that also, so increase and decrease. Okay, and then press the mode button back to the hour, and if done, you can press the top left button. Okay, and yes, the alarm now active for 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, next you can set the alarm feature to activate. So this one is only the alarm, this one ALM, and if you press the top right button from this view, so nothing is flashing or blinking. Now this one is only for the hourly signal, but the alarm is not active. And then press again. Now both the alarm at 5 o'clock in this case, and also the signal, the hourly signal or hourly chime, active, both. Okay, and then press the top right button again, and now both are not active. So anyway, if you want to mute or deactivate the alarm and hourly signal, you can press the top right button until the indicator shows no sign of alarm and signal here. But if you want to use both, just press until it is showing both. So choose whichever you want. And yes, that's all for the alarm. And sorry, one more thing, you can also do the alarm sound check. So from this one, press and hold the split button, and it will give beeping sound. But anyway, it will change the feature setting, so you need to press the top right button again about 3 times to get back to the previous setting. Okay, that's all for the alarm. Next is the dual time, so press the mode button until we get to the DT, dual time. So for this one, press and hold the top left button to set. Okay, and yes, this one is the hour. You can use the split and start button to change that. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the minute. Also the same thing, use the split and start button to change that. So let me set as 24. Okay, and then press the mode button again. Now back to the hour, and then press the adjust, and done. For the second, it will follow the one on the main timekeeping. So this one, the small one, is the time from the main time or timekeeping mode. For the dual time, you can change the time format by pressing the top right button, this one. So this one is the 24-hour format, and this one is the 12-hour format. Okay, now let's get back to the time mode. Press the mode button, and done. For the settings and operation of this watch, Casio TRT-110H. And that's all for this video. Hopefully useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.